Did you know that people don't connect to statistics or numbers, but they can connect to your stories, to your storyline? You can tell them something like this: 70% of the content creators stop creating. They cannot connect to you. But if you would tell your story like this: I have been creating my content to the fullest, but when I am really creating late midnight of this, doubting myself if I can do it, I have so many doubts. If this post would really be showing up or would be watched by my audience. But still, I continued posting. The story of my life would register to their mind, but not the numbers that I would be sharing. Same as when you are informing your audience that like this, 80% of the people struggle with consistency. Interesting, but forgettable. Yes, but if you would tell your audience, your viewers, a creator sitting on the bed at midnight, recording a video, how many retakes? 2, 3, 4, and 5, with low energy, low confidence, but with this zero guarantee, anyone will watch, but still continue creating the post. That story stays with you and your audience sees, because stories create connection. They allow people to see themselves, and they would tell you, that's me. That's me in your content. So statistics educate, or numbers educate. But stories would build trust. And trust is what turns viewers into community. So if you want people to connect with your content, don't just share what you know of statistics, of the percentage, of the analytics, the views, the reach, the engagement. With all those stats, share what you have lived, or share what you have experienced to the fullest as a content creator, and as much as numbers talking to your mind, but stories talking to your emotion. Numbers here on your brain, and emotions are what make people stop, comment, save, and share. So that is why when you create content, don't just share information, but share your experiences. So briefly, I would like to share to you what I have learned of making stories instead of statistics or numbers. So why people connect to stories? Here are my realization. 1, numbers inform. Stories make people connect, or that emotions. One story is remembered longer than 10 statistics. That is number 2, learnings. Number 3, emotions drive times 2. More engagement than facts alone. Number 4, stories build trust faster than data ever will, or numbers, or statistics. 5, people relate to experiences, or not to percentage, or not percentages. Number 6, connection to information in content creation. And number 7, stories turn viewers into community. So, that is our conclusion, that we are going to make our viewers really watch us to the fullest, turning them not through the numbers, not through the statistics, percentage, views, data, engagement, retention, watch time, but through our, what I am calling now, you're making them your stories posts that would connect to them entirely to what you are discussing on your content. So, Tor now, make your stories in as much as statistics, numbers, percentage, analytics would not make you connect to your audience, but it is your stories, your storyline.